Hey guys, so super bullish on crypto right now, and I will explain you why, and I will talk about Benji, BASENJI, one of the biggest meme coins on Base. But first of all, what makes me bullish on in these current markets? As you already know, the prices are down, Bitcoin below 100,000, but this doesn't faze me because there were a huge news that most people are not talking about is that global liquidity is starting to go up, and as you may not know, you can see right here, Bitcoin price, crypto prices usually correlate with a global liquidity. This is basically a macroeconomics, and this is one of the, I think this is the most important chart. And if you are looking at the current prices for altcoins, we are not in the altcoin bull market, bull season, because nothing is going up significantly. But I think global liquidity cycles is the thing that basically drives the crypto markets. And I'm not talking about Bitcoin because Bitcoin is going up like crazy. It is already done like 3x since 2023, 2024. But what I want to talk about is Benji, BASENJI, one of the biggest base meme coins. And why I think this crypto will be listed on Coinbase is this. Basically, the community is strong. Every time I talk about them on X, on Twitter, I have so many likes, so many retweets, and so many engagements. That just means the community is strong. Right now, you can see we have a juicy dump, 25% dump, which is really good because I will definitely be buying. And this video is not a financial advice, but why I am bullish on this project is because, first of all, it is one of the oldest base meme coins, which makes me bullish, which means that there are many old holders, a big community. The second thing is that they announced that they will be advertising their own project in different stadiums in European football games like Juventus, Dortmund, Bayern, Munich. These are basically the biggest Italian, biggest German football clubs. That's why really bullish. People will be seeing the BASENJI showing up in the stadiums. And when we approach a bigger bull run, when the global liquidity starts going up, as it already does, I think BASENJI will be one of the biggest meme coins. Right now, the market cap is around $40 million, which is really, really low. Because as you may know, maybe you don't know, but Toshi was listed basically a few weeks ago, and it basically went from 57 million to 130 million in the first few hours. I think similar thing will happen when they list basically meme coins like TYBG, DogInMe, BASENJI, and if Toshi basically got to $800 million in market cap after it was listed, I think there is a huge opportunity that you could get Benji to 20x gains from this point. It means like from 40 million to 800 million. But if we approach a bigger bull run, if the global liquidity is pumping, I think it could be a much bigger growth for meme coins like BASENJI, TYBG, and DogInMe. And that's why I think this is a great project in my opinion. And again, this video is not a financial advice, but I love when meme coins are actually investing and doing marketing like BASENJI. I don't know any project right now, any meme coin project that is doing marketing like this. This just means that the founders are actually caring about this project. They are not just putting the money in pockets and just posting on X, on Twitter. They are actually doing some job, doing marketing. And overall, if we are looking at the crypto, it is quite red right now, but looking at the fact that BlackRock is buying tens of millions, but Trump is buying also millions of dollars of Ethereum. That just means that smart people, the people in power, know what's happening. And I think Ethereum still will go to $12,000 in the upcoming bull run. And if you are looking at Google Trends, you can see that crypto is around 60% in. If you are comparing it to 2021 bull run, that's why I'm always telling people that retail is not here. The normal people are still not interested in crypto. And this chart should go up at least 2x, 3x higher than it was in 2021. That's when the full-blown euphoria will be here. And right now you are looking at the chart. you can see the prices and the hype is not here. Still, there are hundreds of opportunities, even thousands of opportunities in crypto. And if you want to be early, you have to take advantage right now. And yeah, basically, I am really bullish on base meme coins because Solana meme coins don't have the opportunity to be listed on Coinbase. There is bigger potential for base meme coins to be listed on Coinbase. And I think Coinbase is waiting for the perfect storm to list these crypto coins, the base meme coins, because it just makes sense to be listing them when the full-blown crypto bull run is here. So the people that are bullish on these projects get the biggest returns, and the base network, the Coinbase funded blockchain, grows and goes up exponentially. That's why I think as we are not still approaching the bull run, if the bull run is not here, the listings will not be here. Only when something bullish is happening, that's when we will get these TYBG, Dog and Me, BASENJI listings. That's my opinion. Just based on my logic that they should list the base meme coins. But overall, there is so much happening in this space. I am in so many alpha groups, and I am posting all the alpha on Patreon first. So if you want to get early alpha, you should go to my Patreon, only $10 a month, because I am posting daily, multiple times a day. And it is much faster for me to post on Patreon, not on YouTube, because for YouTube, I have to film video, edit, upload. That takes few hours, and I can post on Patreon. That's why I have my paid group. You basically pay for early information. As we are approaching bigger bull run, the information will be more valuable, and I might basically increase the prices. But right now, only $10 a month, and you get early alpha multiple times a day. All the links are in the description. Also, if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press that notification bell, so every time I upload, you get notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.